Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and here tap on the camera icon right in the middle. As you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose, so we can either take a photo, and thanks to this your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And tap on got it, and as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this this highlighted square. We can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is simply responsible for it. So position it like you want to. You can rotate the picture right here, it's up to you, and tap on save copy if you are ready. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to this list, and after getting back you will be able to see it on the contact list, or for example whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.